Welcome back to the intense political debate that we were talking about. This is over entrepreneur Elon Musk's EVM remarks, where he said that time has come to do away with them. The chorus that seems to be now growing here back in India, especially when it comes to the use of paper ballots in electoral process. Now, also seconding the statements that have been made on parts of multiple opposition party leaders. Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy too has endorsed the usage of paper ballots instead of EVMs. He's put out a post on his social media account saying that most advanced democracies in the world use paper ballots and not EVMs. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the TDP, which has now formed its government after a historic mandate in the assembly elections. It has now hit back at Jagan Mohan Reddy saying that EVMs were working fine when his party won 151 assembly seats in the previous 2019 elections. The TDP has been questioning Jagan Reddy, raising questions on EVMs, saying that when his party won only 11 seats, then he questions the EVMs. Well, in the meantime, as we are getting more reactions on this, we are also trying to get in a word from the TDP leaders. Pattabhi Ramji is with us right now. Sir, good morning to you. What do you make of the comment or the statement that has been made by the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister?
Good morning, Amita. These days it had become a fashion for leaders like Jagan Reddy, who had lost very badly in the elections, to put the blame on the EVMs. It is really ridiculous and funny, to see these kind of comments coming in from Jagan Reddy, who after 2019, when few leaders were not from the TDP, from other political parties, when they made same kind of comments, he spoke so strongly, supporting the EVM, saying that it is not proper to comment on the EVMs when he had won 151 seats in 2019. He was strongly advocating on behalf of EVMs, saying that they are very fine and nothing is wrong with them. It is not proper to blame it on the EVMs. You have to accept the people's mandate. You have to introspect. He was talking, very big things. But today it is ridiculous to, see his post in the social media blaming it on the EVM instead of doing some kind of introspection, and trying to understand the people's mandate. He is, fairly putting the blame on the EVMs. I mean, as far as TDP is concerned, we have endorsed our full faith in the electronic voting machine. It has been proven several times that EVMs are totally fair and genuine, and it is not at all proper to blame it on the EVMs. I mean, leaders should understand, should learn to accept the people's mandate graciously. They should try to understand what had gone wrong with them, how to change their practices, and how to win back.
But Mr. Ram, the context that they are posing these questions are on the statement that has been made by Elon Musk, rather than to understand that when it comes to the elections that take place in other democracies is completely different and standalone in the way that EVMs function here in India.
See, if Elon Musk has any doubts about the working of EVMs, he is welcome to come to India, and he can as well, do whatever tests he wants on the EVMs. I think few of our colleagues in the Bharatiya Janata Party have already posed a challenge to Elon Musk to come to India and, clear what all doubts he has. So he should do that first, instead of, sitting somewhere in US and making these kind of comments.
Right,
he should to make the travel to India and, accept the challenge from our BJP friends.
Right, sir. Thank you very much, Mr. Ram, for your point of view. And this is how the TDP is reacting, saying that this time if Jagan Mohan Reddy has lost the elections, then he is now batting for postal ballot. Let's